Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today on the menu, finger licking good honey mustard chicken wings. We're going to pop these wings under the broiler and let them go ahead and get their juices all sealed in. And we're going to finish them off in a slow cooker in some wonderful, wonderful sauce. Let's go ahead and get into this recipe. Okay, it's time to get into some wings. Make sure you have plenty of paper towels handy because it can get a little messy. All right. We're going to bless our food and we're going to dig right in. Amen. All right, where shall we start? I said I have me some ranch and some cheesy rice. So we're just going to get right on in there. Let you take a close up. Look at that chicken wing. Oh, wow, it's got me swallowing hard, guys. Beautiful. I'll put a little ranch on that. That's a good wing. That's a very good wing. Every ingredient I put into that sauce, I tasted. Very good. Let's go ahead and try some of our rice. Nothing like some good old cheesy rice. Let's try it without the ranch. Delicious. Absolutely delicious. There are many, many different ways to make wings. And this is an awesome, awesome recipe with them. The spicy brown mustard. I certainly hope you give this recipe a try. If you have found this video to be informative, go ahead, give me a thumbs up. Like, share, and subscribe to the video. And until next time, and always remember to keep life simple. And we're going to see you on the next one. Bye for now.